Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and thank you for being here for this ACT Premium Cloud tutorial. So I am using Microsoft Edge for ACT Premium Cloud, and we really have three choices. We can use Microsoft Edge, we can use Firefox, or Google Chrome. It's my preference to use Edge. I just like the way it looks better and some of the ways it responds. So I want to show you something I can do in Edge when I'm working with a contact. Now let's say I have a contact on the screen and I know nothing about that contact. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come and select the contact's name, Carl Spackler. I'm going to right click on this and I want you to observe down below I can search the web for Carl Spackler, but that's going to open a new page, or I can search the sidebar in Edge for Carl Spackler. So I'm going to click on that. And over on the right-hand side, it's giving me information about Carl Spackler. Now, Carl Spackler is the fictional character in Caddyshack played by Bill Murray. But what I did is I was able to research this. So imagine I'm on the phone and I'm calling this person, don't know much about them. I want to research them to have a little insight. You can find all kinds of information in this little sidebar. So as the phone's ringing, do a little research. Find out what they're all about. Maybe you research the team, or I'm sorry, the company name. So this little sidebar trick is something I use quite a bit to find out information about people in my database. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Be well now.